Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a PayPal payment gateway. First, you need to establish a PayPal business account if you do not already have one. This requires basic company details, such as your legal business name and your tax identification number, which are essential for verification. Make sure your e-commerce platform or website is prepared to accept new payment integrations before you begin. Once your business account is ready, navigate to your account settings within PayPal. Look for the API Access section, often under Account Settings or Tools. Here, you will generate your specific API username, password, and signature, which are unique identifiers for your gateway. Treat these credentials with extreme confidentiality, as they are crucial for secure transactions on your platform. Next, log into your website's administration panel, like for Shopify or WooCommerce. Navigate to the Payment Settings or Payment Gateway section, which is usually found under General Settings or E-commerce Options. Input your newly generated PayPal API username, password, and signature into the corresponding fields. After entering the details, remember to save the changes to enable the PayPal payment option on your site. Before fully launching, perform a test transaction using a small amount, for instance, $1 or even a fraction of a dollar, like 50 cents. Check your website to ensure the transaction completes smoothly, and then confirm that the funds appear correctly in your PayPal business account. This crucial step verifies everything is functioning as it should be, allowing you to confidently go live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.